Which type of marriage is this? I can't continue like this. I am going to divorce this man. Let me get this right. You want to divorce your husband because he snores loudly every day? How long have you guys been married? We have been married for 3 months. It's been frustrating. I am sorry you can't divorce your husband. Under the Nigerian law, you can't divorce a marriage in less than 2 years. What's the reason for the law? The law wants the couples to try and work it out first, so enjoy your marriage. What do you think about the 2-year rule? Please like and subscribe for more videos.